First of all, check out this channel. It currently has 2.47 million subscribers, and they have achieved this with only 26 videos. Now, let's take a look at the earnings of this channel. You will be amazed when you see their income. According to the information from the Social Blade website, they earn between $30K to $400K plus dollars every month. But now the question is, how are they earning so much from just 26 videos? Let's take a look at their videos. All the videos are AI-generated short videos, and most of them have millions of views. Let's learn how to create such videos and then upload them on YouTube to earn money. In this video, I will teach you everything from creating these types of videos with AI to earning from them. A rabbit lived in a deep forest. One day, some hunters set a trap in the forest and the rabbit got caught in it. When the hunters came to capture the rabbit, a dog saw the situation. The dog scared the hunters by threatening to bite them and chased them away. The hunters fled, and then the dog rescued the trapped rabbit. After that, a friendship developed between them. We're going to create a cartoon video in just 5 simple steps. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the script. Next, we'll create images for the story. After that, we'll transform those images into a video. Then, we'll generate text to audio for the narration. And finally, we'll edit the video footage to bring everything together. Let's now move to the computer screen and start creating a video like this. First, open a browser and visit chatgpt.com by typing in the address bar. Then open ChatGPT. After that, click on the link provided in the description and you will see a page like this where you will find some prompts. Copy the first prompt from there. When you enter this prompt, ChatGPT will generate multiple stories for us. In each story, I have mentioned that there will be a rabbit, and the rabbit will encounter other animals like dogs, cats, etc. Based on this, ChatGPT will create stories for me. You can also use your own written story if you want. I have written a story in Notepad. Now I'm copying it and giving it to ChatGPT, along with the instruction, improve this story and make it interesting. ChatGPT will then rewrite my story in a more beautiful and engaging way, which is truly amazing. Now, to create a video based on this story, we will need some images. To generate these images, we will give ChatGPT another prompt. Then, ChatGPT will provide us with the necessary prompts to create the images. Now visit the leonardo.ai website. Then click on the Get Started button. Now you need to log in to your account from this page. I am clicking on Google to log in using my Google account. Once logged in, the Leonardo AI dashboard will open. From here, click on Image Creation. Each account on Leonardo will receive 150 credits, which can be used to generate multiple images. Oh, and yes, from the left panel, select Cinematic Keto under Model Preset. Then, take the first image prompt and paste it into Leonardo. Next, from the left panel again, select Image Dimension 2-3 for the short video. Finally, click on the Generate button. After a short loading time, Leonardo will generate 4 images for me. I'm selecting one from them and downloading it. In this way, we need to generate the images one by one using all the prompts provided by ChatGPT. This is necessary because we need images for every moment to create our video. After entering the second prompt, the image is not being generated and an error message is appearing. So, I copied the error message and asked ChatGPT to fix it. ChatGPT then provided me with a fixed version. After using the updated prompt, the image is now being generated correctly. If any problem occurs, you can tell ChatGPT in this way, and it will fix it. Anyway, let's generate the remaining images and download them. Now, search for pixverse.ai and visit the website. Click on Login, select your email, and log in. Once logged in, upload the image from the image options below. Then, write how you want the video to be created based on your image. I wrote the prompt, "The rabbit is enjoying," and clicked on the Generate button. For each video, Pixverse will charge 30 credits. You will receive 90 free credits per day on one account. Anyway, after a while, Pixverse will convert the image into a video. Now let's convert the other images into a video in the same way. Now visit banaye to generate a voice. Then I input my short story into the input text field. After that, I click on Create Speech. Once it finishes loading, I download the voice when it's ready. Our step 1, then step 2, then step 3, and finally step 4 are all completed. Now let's move on to step 5. Now, open CapCut and click on Create Project. Then, click on Import and import all the videos. Once imported, add all the videos to the timeline as layers. Next, import the voice and drag it to align with the video. Then, trim the videos to match the voice. After that, change the ratio to 5:8 and slightly zoom in on the videos to position them properly. Finally, export the video and you're done. If you want, you can enhance the video further by adding sound effects and background music. Our video is ready, but now, how can you earn money from this video? To earn money from this video, you need to create a YouTube channel and upload the video there. You might already know YouTube's requirements for Shorts monetization. How many views are needed for YouTube to enable monetization? To qualify for YouTube Shorts monetization, you must meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Currently, the conditions for monetizing YouTube Shorts are at least 10 million, 1 crore views within 90 days, at least 1,000 subscribers. If you meet these requirements, YouTube will enable ads revenue sharing, allowing ads to appear on your videos so you can earn money.